Governor General Program for Excellence Annual General Meeting.
Yes, sir. I'm going to send it so that you can have it.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
General Program for Excellence Annual General Meeting. I'm the host, and it has been a wonderful day so far. So yeah, I'm gonna show you tidbits.
IBI ambassadors, other specially invited guests, a very good morning. How you doing, everybody? You doing good? It's a form of excitement, just chipping. You may know me as other names like Adasha Kwan and Bubbles and some other names in the yummy commercials on TV. But most importantly today, I am an IBI ambassador from the parish of Manchester. Let's see everybody here from Manchester, yes, together. Yes, from Manchester, yes, cool Mandeville. Don't hot bad, I don't know. Y'all need some more breeze or something, but yes, I am from the parish of Manchester. And I have been a proud IBI ambassador since the year 2014.
I believe that the bad does not outweigh the good. And if only those would magnify the good only understood that which they do makes the falls seem more true. But today, we stress that despite the mess, we are blessed. We can. Somebody say we can. We can, and we will make a change and make Jamaica better. United together with God, we can break every fetter. And somebody say hallelujah. We can break the chains and be truly emancipated.
Yes, sir. I'm going to send it so that you can have it. Get to know each other and of course find out about what each person is doing. For those of you on Zoom, I will Google a picture and send it in WhatsApp of what we're eating. I'm sorry, I cannot send it to you, but thank you so much for staying with us. Ladies and gentlemen, the rewards will come. The money will come. Don't worry. It will come eventually, right, sir? Yes, it will come soon. Flo has decided to award you for the tablet that will go towards your project. Thank you so much, Flo.
And I agree.
Celebrity. Yeah. Mrs. Basillia Barnum Cole. She did a fantastic job. Yes. And it's just, sorry? She was very good.
Thank you.
So she was very good, very good. She's excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Mrs. Cole, do you mind joining me to my left? Alright, so Vanessa Pond is not here, but I wanted to tell her hello the next time it's not here. Come on, please, and Bubbles as well. I congratulate her for graduating from the University of Yale.
Yes.
Right? But to you, Mrs. Scott, thank you so much for gracing us with your elegance and your points, and delivering what you normally do. You look dash. Mr. Cobb is very lucky to have you. Alright, but we want to thank you, and as an IBI ambassador, thank you for your service to the program since 2014. We are very, very, very grateful and we do look forward to seeing you and working with you. Thank you to Mr. Koff for that poem that Will was bringing for today's occasion.
Yes.
Beautifully done, thank you. Special.
So guys, that's a wrap here at the Governor General Program for Excellence Annual General Meeting, and I hope that you enjoyed the clippings that we got a chance to show you. Alright, stay tuned and remember to like, share, subscribe. This is stuff from the cups. Peace out. So guys, make sure that you follow me and other IBI ambassadors and follow the official IBI ambassador page, the GGPE, and of course keep up with all of what we're doing as we continue to do what is right with Jamaica to fix what is wrong with Jamaica. We can do it. We can make a change.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs,